Hello everybody and welcome to this very quick tutorial on CommentSold and how to purchase any items from a live event. So I'm going to share with you my screen really quick, and let's go to Google, and here's my screen. There we go. So we're going to type ClaudiaG.commentsold.com. There you go. So what you're going to see here is an introduction to ClaudiaG collection, and it asks you to please log in below to start shopping. Okay, so you can log in with Instagram or with Facebook. So let's try with Facebook. All you need to do is click on that and the system will automatically bring all your information. So that's it. It's one click. Also, before this, because I had done it before, it didn't ask me if I wanted to approve messages. So we didn't go through that step, but make sure that you click on the check mark for messenger messages. So we are able to send you anything that we need to about your order. Okay, as you can see here, my cart is empty. The shipping method here is where you put in your address. So you click on that. It has my name on it, but you put in the address where you want things to be mailed. And you have you can either pay with a card or with PayPal. I don't have any waitlist items right now. And on the bottom, you can see items that have been shown in previous live events, and you can actually add them to your cart and purchase them. Now, if you have a coupon, then this is where you add the coupon. So the coupon, let's say, is studs. Your shopping cart is empty. Please add an item before adding a coupon. Okay, so let's go back. Let's add this strap, and I want it in gold. So it should be on my cart right now. And I'm gonna use this coupon studs, which is 25%, and that was shared with everybody at the live. So here it is, $5 off with a coupon. Okay, but now we're registered, we have this in our cart, but there's a live going on. So what we need to do is go to the Facebook page, and this is a Facebook page, right? You've seen it before. Make sure that you text CGLive to 9423 so we can text you whenever I'm live, and we let you know right away. Okay, let's go to the post. So the latest post is this one, which is a live mega deal that I did just a few minutes ago. So let's say that I'm talking about this sprout bag. It's $199, and I want to buy it. So what I want to do is either when I'm live when it's going on, or if it's past and I just seeing it as a post, I'm going to comment here, sold space 101, enter, and that's it. This is going to put the item in my cart because I already registered with CommentSold. So let's go back to the CommentSold tab I have right here. So here I'm back to my CommentSold tab, and I'm going to refresh this. So I have right here, you can see the removable strap black that we added a minute ago, and then this is the 101 that I just added on the comments. So the coupon applied for everything. You can add any order notes. For example, please don't send until March 1st because you're going to be out of town or whatever. You add this and you select your payment method. Click here, select your payment method with a card, with PayPal, whatever you want to do. Make sure that you have put in your address before trying to pay, because it's not going to let you pay without an address. And that's it. Once you pay for this, the item will be shipped to you. Now you have 3 hours to buy the whatever you have in your cart. The cart expires in 3 hours, so you have 2 hours and 57 minutes left to process your order. And that's because a lot of people might be interested in the same product and they might have it in their cart. So whoever just process it before gets the item. We have very limited quantities. And also, if you leave it there and you forgot all about it, then it's going to be available in 3 hours for somebody else to grab it. So that's it. Very simple. That's all you need to do for CommentSold. And I hope you have enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope it helps. Oh, by the way, members, you'll have a coupon. There's a specific code for each one of you. If you don't have it yet, email us at support@ClaudiaG Collection, and we will send you that coupon code. You have to be registered on CommentSold right here. We need you to be registered before we add that coupon to your account. So make sure you register, email us, and we'll send you that coupon code. And it's always 50% off any live sale that's going on. 50% off. I know, that's amazing. Okay, you guys, have a great day. Thanks.